Hey guys, so as you can see, this is our laptop and we were about to replace the battery. Let's take a look at the back there. Brilliant. And first thing we're going to do is remove the power altogether. Now I went online and I put in the model of the computer, which is this is an L702X, which is apparently what this battery fits. You'll see here a bunch of brands, and right at the end that's the L701X. This is an 11.1 volt, 7800 milliamps, 87 watt hours. So let's see if this actually is a proper replacement. There we go. So we just flipped it right over. Now these laptops, or any laptop, has an ejection button, and there you go. So let's read the battery. What does it say? We have the 11.1 voltage. Capacity is 90 watt hours. And what's the milliamps rating on this? And it's so tiny, I just didn't see it. This one says 8400 milliamps. So this is actually a greater capacity of battery, but it's dead, even though it says it's full. This battery is almost full. So it's very important that once you install this, which is literally just like that you plug it in, get a full charge out of it, and you're done. And that is how you install a laptop battery. So once we are flipped back over, plug it in, let it charge up full, and you're done. Thanks for watching. As a bonus upcoming video, we're going to be installing a new SATA hard drive. This is an SSD, a SATA 2, which is what this computer is set at. And we'll be taking a mechanical drive, copying it over to a SATA SSD drive. Pretty simple stuff. You'll be falling asleep before you know it.